Springhill Suites Anaheim at Anaheim Main Gate. Everyone's here. We have a TV. Hi, Melody. A desk. Sofa bed where Onya's gonna sleep when she stays over. And we have microwave, fridge, coffee maker, and oh, it's really cool. King size bed. So this is a closet with a mirror, and it's a safe, and the bathroom has a cool sliding door. And the shower, we asked for a tub for Melody, and the rest of the bathroom. It's really big and spacious and nice. So I'm glad we made it, although we don't have luggage. Okay, bye.
Hi. Hi. Where are we, Melody? We're in California.
We're in California. We're about to go to Disneyland. She is hungry.
Downtown Disney?
Downtown Disney, yeah, we can do it.
Do it by yourself. It's not so I can get a picture.
Wow.
Move the camera so I can get a picture.
Okay.
Knights and ladies who ride aboard King Arthur's Carousel is coming to a slow end. Please remain seated or standing where you are, and do not dismount your horse until the carousel has come to a full and complete stop. Once it has, please carefully dismount your horse and watch your step as you follow the arrows on the floor to the nearest exit gate. Thank you for riding King Arthur's Carousel, and enjoy the rest of your evening here at Disneyland.
Melody, say bye, Pony.